Sairam children, Sairam class 3, welcome to your maths class. How all of you are? Staying at home, learning and enjoying? Okay, so today's class we will begin by chanting Omkar thrice. So join your heads, close your eyes and get ready for the Omkaram. Sairam. So far we were discussing addition and subtraction. After few days, again we will discuss some addition and subtraction problems. Now, do you remember tangram? While explaining the chapter Shapes and Design, I have explained you about the tangram. So there are 2-3 questions on the tangram. You will enjoy playing this quiz. See, first question, which see the cursor, which of the below is the rule of the tangram puzzle? A shape may be formed using any number of pieces of the tangram. शेप कितने भी पीस यूज करके बन सकता है डायग्राम के. ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ द टेंस इज अलाउड टू मैक्सिमम ऑफ 4 पीसेस. ओवरलैप करना है ना, एक के ऊपर एक रख देना. ओवरलैप अलाउड है 4 पीसेस तक. अ शेप मस्ट बी फॉर्म यूजिंग ऑल 7 पीसेस ऑफ द डायग्राम. शेप सारे 7 पीसेस के साथ ही बनना चाहिए. The square piece may or may not be included in a shape. जो स्क्वायर पीस है उसको इंक्लूड कर भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी कर सकते हैं. आपको क्या लगता है? चलिए, आपको डी लगता है? डी करके देखते हैं वो करेक्ट है कि नहीं. सबमिट. नो, इट इज इनकरेक्ट. सी, सबमिट. इट इज करेक्ट. जो शेप है वो सभी 7 पीसेस टेंग्राम के इंक्लूड करके ही बनना चाहिए. आई होप आप लोगों ने टेंग्राम बना लिया होगा और यू मस्ट हैव पेस्टेड इट इन योर कॉपी. इट इज अ एक्टिविटी फॉर यू. ओके, सी नेक्स्ट. Second question. The tangram consists of dash flat shapes called tens. जो टेंग्राम के पीसेस होते हैं उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? टेंस. TENS टेंस नहीं, TANS टेंस. कितने पीस होते हैं जरा बताइए. अभी हमने क्वेश्चन में देखा है. करेक्ट, 7. चलिए इसको करके देखते हैं. Correct, 7 flat shape called tens. Now question number 3. The tangram is an ancient dash dissection puzzle. कौन सी पजल है tangram? बताइए. तो मैंने बताया था आपको चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करते समय. बताइए जरा. ब्रिटिश, जापानीज, इंडियन, चाइनीज. थोड़ा सोचिए, वीडियो बार बार देखा कीजिए. चाइनीज. चलिए देखते हैं करेक्ट है कि नहीं. Correct. It is an ancient Chinese dissection puzzle. Okay. Now see children. See, children, we were. Watch one video. See, we will watch one video on patterns. Patterns you are learning from class 1. So, you can draw some patterns using circle, triangle, square, stars, or any other curved line, carry design, and you can color it. See.
One day, as Aisha and Pasha are walking down the street,
Aisha, look, what a beautiful house. Yes, it is. Look at the patterns.
See, when Pasha told Aisha that what a beautiful house it is. How the houses become beautiful? By patterns. And they have started looking at the pattern and trying to understand the pattern. See.
On its door and windows. Blue square, red square. Blue square, red square. Yes, and look at the door. Yellow circle, green circle. Yellow circle, green circle. Look, Pasha, the last row of circles.
What do you think? The last row you can see this one, third one, this one you can see my cursor, yellow circle, green circle, yellow circle, then which circle will come? Try to guess, you can easily understand.
On the door is missing its fourth circle. Can you guess which color the fourth circle should be? Let's see. Yellow circle, green circle. Yellow circle. I know. It should be a green circle. You're right, Pasha. A green circle will complete the pattern on the door. Look at this flower, Aisha. The petals make such a pretty pattern.
In a plant petals, they have made a pattern. This petal, then this petal at the fixed distance and in the fake shape. See the ladybug? You watch the cartoon ladybug? है ना? See the ladybug?
Indeed, they do. Hey, look! Even the butterfly and the ladybug have beautiful patterns on them. Aisha, it's.
See the butterfly wings? Circle, then shape in the form of oil drop, then circle, small circle, then shape in the form of petal, circle, ladybug, red color, it is circle, then divided into two parts, then dots, black dots, one here, then one above it, then again another here, on the other part also one here, then one here, then again At the some distance another dot is there, so it is following some pattern. So not only you can imagine and draw the pattern in your copy in a fixed format, when we look around our nature, then we saw pattern in the ladybug, in the flower, in the leaf, in the butterfly, in the birds, wings, feathers, we saw the patterns. And in the man-made thing like door, curtain, shawls, sarees, windows, we saw pattern.
So wonderful that we have such lovely shapes and patterns all around us. So friends, have you seen any shapes and patterns around you?
See, so all of you have understood? See, we will play one quiz. See, which shape will come next? Square, rectangle, square, rectangle. What do you think? Triangle? Let's see. Submit. No, it's wrong. What do you think? Again, square? Let's see. Correct. Square is the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Now, question number 2. Such patterns you can draw in your copy also. Which of the following is a pattern? Pattern, as all of you have understood, that they follow a similar things. They follow fixed pattern. See, square, triangle, square. Then here, circle, star, then square. It is not coming here. Suddenly, square is coming. See here, circle, square, then again square is not there and circle is coming. Here two squares are there, but here only one square is there. See here, triangle, circle, triangle, then instead of circle, square is there, then triangle. So what do you think? Which is followed in the fixed position? A. Let's submit this answer and see. That is correct. A is correct. Now question number 3. Which of the following shapes are used in the given pattern? Which shapes are used? Star, circle, square. कौन कौन से हैं? इसमें ट्रायंगल भी है, तो ट्रायंगल यूज हुआ है क्या इसमें? नो, ट्रायंगल हैज नॉट बीन यूज. बी, स्टार, सर्किल, स्क्वायर, that has been used. Let's see the C and D option also. Star, triangle, circle. Triangle has been used. See above? No, triangle has not been used. Here in the D, square, triangle, circle. Which has been used? Triangle has been used? No, triangle is not there. What do you think? Is it B? C. B. That is correct. B is the correct answer. The shapes used are star, circle and square. Which is the missing shape in the given pattern? C. Pattern is following some system and we have to tell the missing shape. Star, square or rhombus. Then what here will come? See, it is next is star, rhombus, circle. So what here will come? Circle, correct. So we will submit circle. See, circle is the correct answer. Which shape will come next? Square, triangle, circle. Square, triangle and then correct circle. Correct answer. So all of you have enjoyed today's class. I hope this much is sufficient for your brainstorming exercises. You can draw the patterns in your copy and I hope all of you must have pasted tangram in your copy. So watch again and again this video and try to understand about the pattern and the tangram. Thank you and Sairam. Today's class we will complete by Shanti part. So join your hand, close your eyes and get ready for the Shanti part. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sairam, stay at home, stay safe.